Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just found out my word and today we're playing Minecraft. I did this off of camera, so I went mining, got myself some food, finished the stupid finished the stupid hole that stupid people blew up right here, so, and today our target is to build a bomb. I found some iron. I want. No crap. That's not what I wanted. That makes me save another trouble. There we go. Now we're back. I do not like gravel, but gravel can be useful. So, we're gonna try and make a phone today. And guys, put this down in the comments. I've been thinking about this. How many episodes will it take me to get to the end? To the end to beat the Ender Dragon? Possibly a lot. But that's been enough. That's the best. F5. I don't know how to check the flipping, what you call it, coordinates. Okay, I know we have to be on level 16 for diamonds. I know that because level 15 and 16 is the most popular for diamonds. So many deities, wow. So I finished that off game, well, off screen in the last episode. I'll probably fix that. But I finished the house, I did finish the roof, and oh, mine's done. So if I make a bucket, there we go. And then I want the farm animal is gonna be over here, this side of the house. So yeah, we might want to do that. Make a fence. There's a fence gate. Okay, let's go chop down some more trees. Oak, yeah. Oh, ah, crap! I left my saplings back in the chest in the house. Oh, crap. I need my teaspoon. That's good. So where we left off is I locked down the house and nope. There we go. Sorry, I do not have a bed still. I do not want to die. I'm a shopping whatsoever. There we go. So if this happened back from a touch back in the right spot, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine. That should be enough, right? Oh, there we go. I don't want the animals get. Look! There we go. There we go. I don't want the animals like jumping up here and then wandering off that way, that way, that way, that way, and all around. So, but I think I have fence gate right here. It's fence gate. There we go. I have extra fence right here. So this can be for animals. So, but I have no fence gate. Yeah, let's go. No fence gate right here. So, yeah. I have an extra one right here. It's gonna take me a while, guys. So. Boom. Yeah, try an apple. So back here I got my farm stuff. Oh yeah, I got a pond. Hey chicken. I'm lagging so bad. You know, get some more oak. So, guys, I might be going to creative sometime during the season because if I don't get any sheep anytime soon, I will be, yeah. Yeah, well, but 8 minutes in, and I don't want to do what I did last time, because last time I tried to record for you guys today. Yeah, it went over. It went all the way to the. Where's my house? Oh, there it is. And there's my charger. It's plugged in. Ow. There we go. 30. Was that me? No. To finish this phone. Chickens use seeds. Wow. Wow. Okay. Whatever. Cows and sheep use wheat. This is fine. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. That's my touch. Oh, I don't know my. Here's my food. No, it sucks. I want to keep. I want to do something with that, so that's why. Okay, so if I boom, 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 do boom, boom, that might be too much. I don't know how many seeds do I have. 44 seeds. Never mind, that's not too much. There we go. Now if I do that, go on wheat first. There we go. Wheat, wheat, wheat. Oh no. Yes. Okay, time to go get chickens into my pen. Yeah, well, follow me? Yeah. I want to get time in my phone. Come on, down here. Down here. Yeah, nice. They give you a seed, but you have to stay in there. Can you get out? Nope, okay, good. Time to go get my chickens. Chicken? Yeah, you're right there, huh? Yeah. But my trick is, for this is go slowly, so it won't like, to the animal that you're trying to lead. I might breed chicken. Come on, in here. Yeah. You can see, you can see. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So I got my farm growing. I kinda like in a pond. And I can't get any pigs. And my farm cat have no flipping carrots. And fix the carrots. They used to, however, yeah, I think in 2012, when I first started playing, they did take wheat. Pigs used to eat wheat with cows and sheep, but now, for some reason, they decide to, yeah, take my pickups. There we go. So, my time's almost up. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Bye.